If you found a Coursera affiliate discount link and you're wondering how it actually works, this quick guide explains how to use the link correctly, how the discount gets applied, and what you get with Coursera Plus. And before we continue, there is a link in the description that takes you directly to the official Coursera Plus offer page where you can check the latest discounted pricing yourself. Right now, Coursera is offering eligible new subscribers the Coursera Plus monthly plan for $14.40 instead of the regular $24 monthly price for the first 3 months. According to the official Coursera offer page, this limited time promotion is expected to end on May 25th. So, how do you use a Coursera affiliate discount link? In most cases, the affiliate link already contains the active promotion. That means you usually do not need to manually enter a coupon or promo code during checkout. Here's how the process works step by step. First, click the official Coursera Plus link in the description below. Once the page opens, you should see the discounted pricing already displayed automatically. Next, sign into your Coursera account or create a new account if you are a first-time subscriber. Then choose the Coursera Plus monthly plan and continue to checkout. Before making payment, double-check that the lower promotional price is still visible on the screen. After completing payment, your Coursera Plus membership becomes active immediately. With Coursera Plus, you get access to more than 10,000 online courses, professional certificates, guided projects, and specializations from companies and universities like Google, IBM, Meta, Duke University, and the University of Michigan. The subscription includes learning programs in AI, programming, cybersecurity, business, data science, marketing, project management, and many other career-focused fields. Popular programs like Google Career Certificates, IBM Data Science, Python for Everybody, and prompt engineering specializations are also included within the membership. One reason many learners prefer Coursera Plus is because it can become much cheaper than purchasing multiple courses individually throughout the year. Just remember that this current Coursera affiliate discount offer mainly applies to eligible new subscribers, and availability may vary depending on your country. And if you want to check whether the current Coursera Plus discount is still active for your region, use the official Coursera affiliate link in the description below before the promotion expires.